The unbearable irony. He was a visionary who pioneered a treatment for the most severe, life-shattering depression, a therapy that achieved an almost unthinkable 80% remission rate in clinical trials. Yet, in a profound and heartbreaking irony, Dr. Nolan Williams, the brilliant Stanford neuroscientist, succumbed to the very illness he spent his life trying to cure, passing away at age 43. This is not just an obituary. This is a necessary deep dive into the legacy he left behind. A groundbreaking, FDA-approved treatment that could rewrite the future of mental health. Psychiatry 3.0, targeting the circuit. Dr. Williams was a pioneer of what he called Psychiatry 3.0, moving beyond talk therapy 1.0 and neurochemistry 2.0 to directly target and fix the errant brain circuits at the root of mental illness. He realized that in severe depression, key areas of the brain are functionally imbalanced. The areas controlling emotion are underactive, while areas generating negative emotions are hyperactive. His goal was simple: stop treating the symptoms and instead recalibrate the circuit. Introducing SAINT, the 80% solution. The core of his legacy is SAINT, or Stanford Accelerated Intelligent Neuromodulation Therapy, now commercially SNT. Traditional transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, required 5 sessions a week for 6 long weeks. Dr. Williams hypothesized that patients were being underdosed. He dramatically accelerated the protocol, 10 sessions a day for 5 consecutive days. The results, published in the American Journal of Psychiatry, were a watershed moment. 79% of patients with treatment-resistant depression entered remission within a month, often feeling relief in just days, like flipping a switch. The mechanism: high-dose acceleration. SAINT isn't just fast, it's high dose. It delivers up to 18,000 magnetic pulses per day. This high dose uses a refined method of TMS called intermittent theta burst stimulation, ITBS, which is designed to amplify the antidepressant effect by stacking the sessions, giving the brain brief recovery intervals, 50 minutes between each one, allowing the stimulation to build upon one another. This is the science of neurological potentiation. Precision medicine, fMRI-guided targeting. What makes SAINT intelligent is the targeting. Traditional TMS is often a general treatment area. Dr. Williams used functional MRI-fMRI brain imaging to create a personalized map of each patient's brain. This allowed his team to precisely locate the left dorsolateral prefrontal cortex DLPFC region that is most functionally anticorrelated with the brain region driving the depressive symptoms, the subgenual anterior cingulate cortex SGACC. This fMRI-guided precision ensures the magnetic pulse corrects the signal flow right where the problem originates. Reversing the signal, Dr. Williams' lab was also the first to reveal how TMS actually works by reversing the direction of abnormal brain signals. In severely depressed patients, neural activity flows backward between key mood-regulating areas. SAINT effectively turns the stream around, restoring the proper flow of information. He saw this as a biomarker, a measurable signal that not only diagnosed the severity of depression, but also predicted the patient's likelihood of responding to the SAINT treatment. The legacy extends psychedelic frontiers. His visionary work wasn't limited to neuromodulation. Dr. Williams was also a pioneer in psychedelic medicine, studying the effects of ibogaine, a plant-based psychoactive compound, on veterans with PTSD and traumatic brain injury (TBI). His study showed dramatic results: average reductions of 88% in PTSD symptoms and 87% in depression. This work, along with his research into ketamine's anti-suicidality effects, positioned him at the forefront of the new era of neuro-rehab drugs. The Wounded Healer. The news of Dr. Williams' passing is a painful, urgent reminder that mental illness can affect anyone, regardless of intelligence, success, or specialization. He was a wounded healer, his immense contributions ultimately unable to save himself. His death is a profound call to action for the scientific community, policymakers, and all of us to destigmatize brain health and urgently expand access to the very treatments he designed. The curing power lives on, but Dr. Williams' legacy is defined by the hope he created. The SAINT protocol is FDA-approved and already commercially available, transforming the lives of patients who had exhausted all other options. He often said his belief was that healing from depression should be faster, more precise, and accessible. That vision that science can truly cure severe depression remains his most vital contribution to the world. We honor Dr. Williams' memory not with silence, but by amplifying the life-saving science he pioneered. The Evidence Edge is dedicated to providing you with the breakthroughs in neuroscience that matter most. Subscribe now to ensure you never miss these vital reports. To learn how you can support your brain health and cellular longevity, click the link on your screen or in the description for our full feature on the autophagy protocol, Your Cellular Reset.